YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share a recipe with you guys for keto waffles. These are delicious, breakfast, lunch, dinner. My kids like them, and so thought I'd share the recipe with you guys. Here are some things that you will need to get started. So first of all, you will need a waffle maker. I use this one here, and it makes two square waffles. I've had it for years and it works great. Just a mixing bowl, a whisk, and some utensils. Some unsweetened almond milk. I use the Kirkland organic vanilla almond milk, some baking powder, vanilla extract, some Swerve. You will need some almond flour. I buy the Kirkland brand from Costco, as well as a couple of eggs. I will add some of this DaVinci sugar-free syrup. This is the Pancake flavor, as well as a little bit of cinnamon. And the last ingredient that you will need is some Quest protein powder, and I buy the banana cream flavored to make waffles. I've also used it in pancakes and keto muffins as well. So here are the ingredients again that you will need, and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start making our waffles. First ingredient, you're going to take 2 eggs and just crack those. And you can just a little bit here in the bowl. The next ingredient that you're going to use is you're going to take a 1/2 cup of your almond flour. This is a 1/2 cup here. Just level it out and put it in your bowl. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 1 scoop of this Quest banana cream flavored protein powder. Just 1 leveled scoop here. You could use any protein powder that you want, unflavored, even if you just want a little bit of extra protein, but they've got so many different nice flavors that will can really change up the flavor of your waffles. You could do chocolate, vanilla, cookies and cream, really whatever you want. We're just going to mix this up here. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of our almond milk. And we're just going to mix this up here a little bit. We're going to add some vanilla, just maybe a teaspoon. Doesn't really matter. You really could add however much you want. I love vanilla, so I always go a little heavier on the vanilla. And just a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. That's really just going to help your waffles get nice and fluffy. And you're going to use a tablespoon of your Swerve. You could use monk fruit sweetener, I guess. You could use stevia. You could use Splenda, I guess, if you wanted to. I know some people that are keto don't like to use Splenda. So you really could use whatever you want, though. There's no rules here. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of the sugar-free pancake syrup. That was a little more than 1/2 teaspoon, but no big deal. And we're going to add a little bit of, I'd say probably, I should do this properly for you guys. About a teaspoon of cinnamon. Again, you don't have to put cinnamon. I love cinnamon, but you could put a little less, whatever you like. So I'm going to mix this up, and I am going to, 1 second, I'm going to be using this here. It's just a coconut cooking spray. I'm going to use that to grease my waffle maker. And I'm going to mix this all up, and I will be back when we're ready to pour it into the waffle maker. See you in a bit. Hi there. Okay, so what we're going to do next, we've mixed up our waffle batter, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just, you know, pancake consistency. And we're going to take our coconut oil spray, and we're just going to lightly spray our waffle maker. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to pour it in. This is a half cup scooper here, and what I'm going to do is just a little under half a cup for my waffle maker. And I pour that right in. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there we go. Again, another half a cup right into the waffle maker. And hopefully this will not come pouring out. And we are going to just leave that on there. Usually I leave them in there for about 7 to 9 minutes. And again, that's for 2 waffles. The batter that we've whipped up here will make 2 servings, and each serving will have 2 waffles in there. So it's a nice meal full of protein and good fats, and so they are quite satiating. And so now the other thing is for the waffles per serving, I've got the macros here for you guys. So each serving will have 4 net carbs, 21 grams of fat, 23 grams of protein, and 326 calories. So not bad macros for one of your meals. So we are going to wait a few minutes until these are done, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're finished. Hi, so it's been about 7 to 9 minutes, and I think our waffles are ready. So I'll go ahead and take them out and show you guys what they look like. So they are ready. They're nice and golden brown. I'll show that to you guys there. And what we'll do is we'll just use some tongs here to take them out. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're nice and golden brown. And here's the other one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the rest of the batter in here to make the other 2 that the recipe will make, because the recipe again will make 2 servings of 2 waffles each. What I do is I usually lay them out on a plate. If you are making them when you're going to eat them, that's great. But if not, these also freeze very, very well. I will wait till they cool usually, and then I will, with just a little piece of paper towel, what I usually do is I will take one of my waffles like this, and then I just fold over the paper towel. And I will put the other one here on top, and I will go ahead and put them usually in a Ziploc sandwich size bag. They will fit nicely, and I will go ahead and put them in the freezer. And then my kids will even just go in the freezer in the mornings. They take them out, they pop them in the toaster for a minute or 2 just to warm them up and get them a little bit crispier, and then you can go ahead and enjoy. I hope you guys like this recipe, and I will be back with another recipe video soon, so stay tuned. Bye.